Hey, what's up my dolls? Welcome back to Nicole, of course. As you guys can see from down in the title, today I got the taco truck tacos. I'm so excited about this. Like, I haven't had taco truck tacos since Milwaukee, and if you're wondering what that noise is, I'm in the car and it's currently raining right now. I'm in the same spot that I did the Starbucks drinks, trying them out or whatever like that. So hopefully the rain doesn't bother you too much. I personally love the sound of it, so let's just get into it. Okay, so we have some napkins, and then I also picked these up as well. I think they're like pork grinds, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's what they are. Let me try them out. I like these. Oh my goodness, you guys, these are addicting. Very, very good. I feel like there's like a hair on my nose or something. Anyways, so I got the green salsa right here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but, and then I got the red one. I should have honestly asked for a couple more of these because, yeah, I think I'm gonna need some more. They are just parked right over there. But anyways, here they are. I just got 3 because we're gonna do a mukbang a little bit later, but honestly I didn't know what size they had. Typically they're normally well, at least what I'm used to, there's littler tacos or like average size. So I just got 3, and ooh, okay, I'm gonna lay this out so I don't spill. Yum! Look at these, you guys. Oh no, I'm gonna have to clean up the car after this, but tomato just fell. I wish I can show you guys better. There, is that better? Oh, I should get a thumbnail real quick too. Hold on. Car mukbang problems. Okay, hold on just a second. Quick thumbnail. Honestly, this would be like my perfect date, eating tacos in the car while it's raining outside. Perfect in my eyes. All right, so they gave me a lime, so I'm gonna squirt some of this on here. Put this down. I'm gonna squirt some of my lime on here. Yeah, lime, not a lemon. So I got some steak tacos with everything on it. Cilantro, cheese, onions, all of that. And then they only had sodas, so I got myself a Coke. I know I shouldn't be drinking a lot of soda, but this is all they had for right now. So I might have to take the car to go get cleaned after this mukbang. So originally I was gonna go to Chick-fil-A, but I seen that they were open. I mean, it is 12 o'clock, but I seen that they were over there and I was like, ooh, I'm just gonna do tacos instead. So I'm gonna drip some of this hot sauce on each one. And then take a bite. Oh my goodness, these look so bomb. I actually forgot to get some sour cream, but that's okay. Very good. Very, 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 very good. Wow, this is amazing. These are so they are just hitting the spot right now. Wow, so delicious. You got the steak, you got the lime, the way they seasoned it. Oh my goodness. I know Delvin would love these. He never tried them yet. This is actually my first time trying it too. Woo! Oh my goodness. These are just so dang bomb. I'm gonna have to start coming here more often. How are you guys liking my hair today? I'm obsessed with it. I think it's so cute. I was getting bored with it just being down parted in the middle type of hairstyle. I did switch it up and got a crimper, but that only went so far. So I was like, I need to do something different. And honestly, I haven't done this in a while. I was doing this style a lot when I first received my wig, but don't worry, I have a surprise coming for you guys and I'm so excited. I'm really excited about it. It says that it should be here by tomorrow, which tomorrow is Friday. So you know what that means. Technically we have off for the rest of the weekend, but you know I'm gonna be going hard on my channel. So no play, no game. Gotta keep grinding hard. It's about to be the holidays. You gotta get that money. No, but what I wanted to talk to you guys about, actually, what this video is supposed to be about, is I mentioned in my Instagram story, and excuse me, I'm not sure if I said it, excuse me, here on YouTube yet, but I was dyeing my hair, my natural hair, my real hair, and I'm bald. I'm bald. I have no hair. Not literally, but it's so bad. It's so bad. My hair is falling out, like clumps and clumps of hair is falling out of my head, and it's from bleaching it. But I literally just bleached my roots, and I don't know if I used the wrong kind of developer. I did try something new, and I'm so scared right now. Like I literally just want to shave my head. Honestly, like I'm to that point. I know some of you guys are like, oh, you shouldn't bleach your hair, do this and that. Listen, I know we're not all not hairstylists, but we all didn't go to school for hair, okay? I sure didn't. Not every single one of you didn't on my channel watching this, so get over it. It is what it is. It messed up my hair, but guess what? Hair grows back. So you will be seeing me a lot in some wigs, which I just ordered a new one, by the way. And I was just minding my own business, scrolling through YouTube, and it was for a really good price. And I watched the video on the girl who reviewed it or whatever, and it looked gorgeous. Now, I got it in a color that I'm not too sure about, but I was like, for this price, I can try it out. No big deal. So, that's what should be coming in the mail tomorrow, Friday. And I'm really excited about it. So, back to me doing the hair dyeing video. Honestly, you're probably not going to see my real hair for a while because it's that bad. It's really bad. I mean, really bad. I didn't even tone it. I literally just bleached my hair and put purple shampoo in it. So, yes, it is the platinum color that I want, but it's gone. It's gone. Gone over the hill. It's gone. I mean, gone. It's really bad, and I've been stressing so hard because of it. And I've been crying a little bit at night because it's just not good. Like more on my side of my hairs, like the hairs that you would let down a little bit to like frame your face, fried off. Up here, they're gone. My hair is so thinned out, it's unreal. It's just terrible. It's a terrible situation. So basically, that video is probably not coming out of me dyeing my hair, so don't look forward to it. I might possibly drop it, but I know people are gonna have some things to say about me dyeing my hair and your opinions on it, and that's for the birds. I don't want to hear it at all. Like, I know I messed up. Like I said, hair grows back, so no big deal. You know, you sit and cry about it for a little bit, but there's always wigs. And honestly, I'm getting kind of sick of this wig. So I'm glad I ordered. I was looking to go buy another one, honestly, soon, but the one came across on YouTube, and I was like, okay, since my hair just all fell out and I'm basically bald, I'm gonna buy this. Can you guys see me all the way? I don't know. So I was already kind of looking for a new wig, and I do want it to be very long. Oh, the one that's coming, it's a long, I mean long, and I really can't wait. I'm gonna have to tweak it a little bit up here because that's what the girl did in her YouTube video. But the way she did it looks really good, and I hope and pray that I can get it the same to look the same, because she needs a new wig. She needs a new look, basically. Now, I don't know if you've seen my mermaid wig in Dalvin's on Dalvin's channel. There's a cop right over there and they're just staring. Anyways, I don't know if you've seen the mermaid wig on Dalvin's channel. I wore it once and I wore it with a hat. It's a very nice wig, very silky and soft. Tangles a little bit, but not that bad. I just have to, I feel like you can't wear that every day, you know, because it's clearly a wig. It's not your real hair. This looks more real than the wig, the mermaid wig does. But, and that's typically what I was going for when I was, you know, looking for a new wig to have. I wanted something that I can wear every day that looks like a real hair on my head, at least. And you know, just something that fits me. My battery, you guys, my battery is dying right now. I'm sorry. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm gonna rock it out until this actually dies, but please go follow my Instagram at Nicole, of course, on Snapchat, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook. It's Nicole, of course, with 2 E's at the end. I really wanted to talk a lot more, but this might be it. I'm gonna keep talking until it actually dies. I did already film 2 other videos, so that's the reason why it's dying right now, which I still haven't gotten to Best Buy yet. Well, hopefully over the weekend, because I'll have some time. I have my videos stacked up. I've been doing really well. I'm so proud of myself. I'm literally so proud of myself. I wasn't trying to brag if it sounded like that, but no, I'm literally like, I'm really pushing it out and getting this content out here for you guys. But I really wanted to talk more with you guys about my hair and how much of a disaster it is. Well, if my, excuse me, if my wig, ooh, I almost revealed it. If my wig comes tomorrow, I will definitely make a video of unboxing it, and then I am sure there will be a picture along with it, because I know I'm gonna feel some type of way when I get this on and installed and put together and all that kind of stuff, because you know, you just feel so much better about yourself when you have your hair done. I really need to get my eyebrows done. Like, they are wildebeests growing in the wild. They are out of control. No, they're bad. They're really bad. Like, this is just makeup, but when I take this off, They're just big bushes. That sounds bad, but I want to get hair done, eyebrows, lashes, fix my nails, fix my toes. I actually really wanted to go give myself a massage. I've never done that before, and also a facial. Never done either one of those. I think it'll be very nice and relaxing. Give myself kind of like a spa day type of thing. I think it would be really nice, especially because I've been stressing so hard about my hair and other things, and just keep on pushing out that content. I've been, you know, grinding basically. I'm not trying to you know, make it sound bad or anything like that, but I've been pushing it out for sure, trying to do my thing. Maybe I didn't have enough to talk about in this video. My